Divide rational expressions. So rational expressions are fractions, typically with some kind of algebraic expression, with variables, polynomials, things like that. So the first thing, when you have a fraction and you are dividing, this, some teachers teach it as keep, flip, change. Pretty much what you're doing is you multiply by what's called the reciprocal, which means you flip whatever that second fraction is. Or maybe it's not a fraction, maybe it's a whole number. So you have to make it a fraction and then flip it. So our problem, 7x minus 14 over 75 divided by 25x minus 50 over 50. We're going to change that division sign in the middle to multiplication, and then we're going to flip our second fraction. So the 50 goes in the numerator, and your denominator becomes 25x minus 50. There are binomials in the first numerator and the second denominator. Those can be factored. So I could take a 7 out of that numerator. And if I divide 7 out, I'm left with x minus 2. I could take 25 out of that denominator, and then I'm left with x minus 2. That's super convenient. The fractions 50 and 75 are still there, and now we're going to be able to start simplifying. There's an x minus 2 in the numerator and an x minus 2 in the denominator. I can cancel those out. They're going to go away. So we can write the answer we have right now. It's 7 times 50 in the numerator, and then 75 times 25 in the denominator. I can simplify more. So 25 and 50, numerator and denominator, I can divide both of these numbers by 25. 50 divided by 25 is going to make that 2. 25 divided by 25, that's going to make that 1. So now my fraction simplifies to 7 times 2 over 75 times 1. So our final answer is going to be 14 over 75.